Hi there, welcome to our channel and welcome to our Wix Studio series. Today, we're going to learn how to manage site notifications in your workspace. Let's get started. On your workspace, go to Notifications on the top right of your screen and select Preferences. Here, you can manage which notifications you'd like to get from the sites on this workspace. You'll still get important notifications like billing updates, though. By the way, changes to your notification preferences will only affect you. All of your sites will be found on this list. You can simply toggle their corresponding toggle button on or off, depending on whether you want to enable or disable notifications from a certain site. But if you'd like to manage specific notifications of a certain site, click Manage on the site you want to work on. And over here, you can enable or disable specific notifications by simply taking the checkboxes on or off according to your preferences. You can set your notifications for your dashboard and email separately. So go ahead and set these things or set these notifications up according to your preferences. And once you're done making all the changes you need to make, click Apply. And that's all for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful somehow. If you'd like to see more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.